Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's video we're going to be unboxing this box of cute figures from KikaGoods.com. KikaGoods is a website that sells blind box figures like these. They also sell cute miniature figures, remnant boxes, and lots of other cute things. So check them out if you have a chance. I'm going to put a link to their website down below. They were kind enough to send us this box from the Love or Death collection to share with you guys and show you. This is the series that I chose to show you guys because I went through their website and they had it was honestly so hard to choose something to show you guys because they had so many products that I knew you guys would love, but we chose this one, Love or Death. And yeah, I'm really excited to share it with you guys, so let's get right into it. So this is the box, just how it came. I think it's so cute. We got the full set. I love the colors already. It's like really pastel colors, but it has like a spooky kind of pastel gothy vibe. And I love like the contrast there, you know, with love and death and soft and dark. I really love that. And like here we have like an angel bear looking thing with the cuffs, and then we have like a little devil bear with the horns. The angel bear has the halo. I think that imagery is really beautiful, and that's why I chose this. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you. I'm gonna go ahead, and it looks like this is a pop-out cutout, like this is the box that you would have in store or for demo or whatever. So I'm gonna open it up and try to show you. I swear boxes are like my one kryptonite. I don't know how. I find it so difficult to open boxes. Nobody in this world has as hard of a time as I do. There you go. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I just didn't want to damage the box because it's so beautiful. Alright, here's the mini boxes, but I want to pop this guy out. Alright, there it goes. Oh, you guys can't see it all. Let me move it. So that's how the top looks. I think that is so beautiful. I want to like display this on a shelf somewhere, and it's really like shiny, high quality, beautiful. Okay, I tried to switch the camera angle up a bit so you guys can get a better look at this graphic because it is just too beautiful to miss. Alright, so we got the sides off, and I think it looks so good. I love the little like graveyard theme going on with the tombstones and the coffins, and it's just so beautiful. I love this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the boxes now. Here are the boxes, and they're all gonna look the same, of course, because they're blind boxes, so they don't want to give away what's inside. Baby ghost bear, aww. So it says Love or Death because that's the series. We have the cute little bear on there chomping on the tombstone. And here are the possibilities for what you could be getting out of the boxes. Move this over. I like to always like look at these and decide what would be like my favorite, what I wish to get. But since I have them all, I'm hoping that I get these all. But if I weren't, I think that I would really try to pull for Cupid and Devil like together, because I feel like on a shelf together that's just so adorable. But then I also really want Love Ghost. Like look at Love Ghost, that is adorable. And Burning, because I love green and I feel like green and pink together are so cute. Like lime green has always been one of my favorite colors. But then these two, Nurse and Stitch with Love, and then these two go together. I don't know, I really can't choose. I'm like so obsessed with these. So let's just get right into it. That's enough. Let's just start opening them up. Alright, let's start with the first one. Again, you guys know how horrible I am with boxes. Oh, but this one has like a little easy open tab, so we should be able to just press in here, right? Ooh, and then pop the lid off. Dang, that was easier said than done. Hold on. I think that I'm gonna have more success if I like kind of cut open the perforations. So inside, it looks like there's a few things inside. I think the paper is gonna tell you who you got. So let's not get the paper out first. Let's put that face down. There's a code. Oh, what is this? Fun. Maybe, I think this is gonna be like a stand for it. So cute! We got the Nurse one on our first pull, and it's this really beautiful like lavenders and purples, and it's so good quality. It's kind of heavy, but not like too heavy. Like it's light, but it has like enough weight to it to make it feel like quality. Little band-aid on the back of her head. Look at this syringe with the hot pink, and it's like heart-shaped. I love how much detail was put into this, and I love the color scheme. Let's go ahead and open the rest. Oh, actually before that, let's take a look at this. So this card, the card does give it away, so I'm gonna open them before showing the cards. This one is Baby Ghost Bear Nurse. Shinwoo, and unfortunately I can't read that. I'm not sure what language it is, but super cute card. Alright, from the looks of it, I think we actually got one of the surprise ones. And it's like a bottle, and it kind of reminds me like Alice in Wonderland. It has this really cute tag that says, "Drink me." Drink me? That is so cute. I'm not sure where the tag goes. But this closes on here like this. And how cute, it gives him like little devil, or like devil tail, wings, and a halo. And then like if you look at it through here, it kind of breaks the heart and crosses his eyes out. That is so adorable. And I'm guessing this goes on here. If you look here, yeah, it's this secret one. Oh, that's cool. So that, I think that means that we won't be getting one of these. Instead, we got a secret. And again, we have the card, Baby Ghost Bear, Drink Me, Love Potion. That is so adorable. I'm like obsessed with these little cards. I'm definitely gonna collect these. Oh my god, how cute! I think this is my favorite one so far. I really love that it's like super shiny. It's like juicy or something. Like the nurse one was matte, and I thought that was just like so like, ooh, pretty. It went with the ghost, with the spooky, beautiful. But this one's like jelly. It gives like candy vibes, and I love the colors. This is so beautiful. I love it. So this one, wait, this one is Love or Death. I love it. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. Quick look at his card, or her card, their card. Love or Death. So freaking cute. This is so cute. This one is like one of the half ones, so hopefully we get the other half. And it is so cute. It's blue and green, like the most beautiful blue and green, and kind of see-through. And it has this like love, like heart-shaped gun, like a pink gun inside. That is so beautiful. This one is, let's take a look at the box, Heartbreak, with the little gun inside. That is so cute. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm finding it so difficult to pick favorites now. And this is his little card, or their little card, Heartbreak. So cute. This one is cute. This one's kind of adorable. It's like the ghost has like little hair, and it has like little bear costume. And he's all stitched up. It has a little yarn with a little heart. Like the detailing in these is so beautiful. That's what I love most about them. So cute. And I think it's like mending the broken heart. Stitch with Love. That's this one. What a cutie. And here is their card, Stitch with Love, Baby Ghost Bear. Oh my gosh, this one just took my breath away. This is beautiful. The colors, like this reminds me of my twin sister, because she loves baby pink and she loves blue. These are her favorite colors. And like creamy vanilla. She loves vanilla, like she's weird. This reminds me of her so much. I love the little one eye. Like, this is gorgeous. And I believe this one is Cupid. Like, look at the little like bit of pale pink that comes out the back. The detailing on these, it's like immaculate. This one is, yes, Cupid. Oh my gosh. A Little Slave to Love. This one's my twin. Let's see their card. Cupid. Oh my god, we got the little candle one I wanted. Look how cute. It's like a little slime bear or something. And it has that like purple little flame at the top. Look at the little toesies. This is just so cute. This one is called Burning. That one right there. So cute. And here is their little card. Guys, we're getting so close to finishing. Only 4 more boxes. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love the like lilac with pink, like similar colors, and then the purple, but so cute. The little hearts in the back. This one is adorable. Let's see, which one is this? This is Doctor. Super cute. I love the little band-aid on their face. And this is Doctor's card. How cute! Oh my gosh, it looks like we got the lollipop spill melting with the little heart melting inside, but I think I'm missing the stick. Hold on, did I leave the stick in the box? Okay, yeah, I accidentally left the stick in the bag. Alright, cool. That is so cute. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I think that's so neat and adorable, and I love how they made it like so shiny and like candy juicy. That's so cute. And here is melting card. It looks like we got a cute little devil one with the little broken heart and the little like translucent lavender horns. Like that is so cute. Here's a little, and it looks like it had these wings on the back, but I don't know if they snap in or if mine came broken. I think mine accidentally got broken in transit. Oh my god, look at the little tattoos. This little ghost is tatted up. Love or death. That is so cute. So this, luckily it's just the back of it and I can fix it with some crazy glue. So later on today, I'm gonna have to just crazy glue this back on. But I think it's so cute. I really love it. That's adorable. And this one is Devil. So we have Cupid and Devil. So cute. Cutest devil ever. And here is Devil's card if you wanted to see it. Baby Ghost Bear Devil. And now last figure. Oh my gosh. You know what? If I take this out, I'm afraid this is gonna collapse. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this and the empty boxes out of the way now. So before I get this out of the way, I just want to say that this is really cute, but I'm not sure what I would use the box for. So what I think I'm going to do is cut this out, and then on the shelf where I place all these cuties, I'm going to like try to kind of tape this there, or maybe frame it or something, or find a cute interesting way of putting this on the shelf like behind them. And then I'm going to take a box, so I'm going to cut this panel out and this panel out and find a way to put that on the shelf too, or maybe just one box, like try to tape it up to look open, just so you could see like on display what the graphics look like. Alright, so before we open this last box, I wanted to take a look at the ones that we've gotten and try to like see if we can figure out which one it might be that's in here. So I kind of lined them up the way they are in the back of the box, and it looks like we are missing, or we haven't pulled yet, One Way Love, which connects to Heartbreak, Love Ghost, and One of the Secrets. So it's going to be either one of these three, and if it were me personally, I'm kind of really hoping for One Way Love because I want to complete that kit. I feel like it would be so cute. It kind of looks like funny without it, like kind of wish we have that one. But if we don't, Love Ghost is really, really cute. I do love him. And the Secret looks like it might be cute. It looks like a box of bears or something. Now, I wonder if you guys have any ideas, if we don't get One Way Love, what I could do with this one to make it look cool, since the side is kind of flat because it's supposed to connect with One Way Love. So let's go ahead and open the last one. Alright, we got One Way Love. Thank goodness. I was like really gonna be sad if I didn't get this one. This is one of my favorite ones. I love the like duotone jelly, and I love like, I don't know, like gradients and rainbows and like colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. That just like, I don't know, that makes me happy. And so these like the pink to the little yellowish to green to blue, like These are gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with these. So yeah, I'm really happy that we got One Way Love. Hee hee, look it together. They look so cute, like their little cheeks are all squished like they're pushing on each other. I love that. So I guess we only didn't get The Secret and Love Ghost, which I'm okay with. I'm actually really happy with what we got. So I think that's all for today's video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe. Also, if you want to purchase your own set of figures, or you want to see what different blind boxes and stuff they have on KikaGoods, I will link that below. And don't forget to use our coupon code DREAMY for, I believe, 10% off. So yeah, I'll link everything below for you guys. Love you so much. See you in the next one. Kitty and Jerry.